Welcome to SlideEgg, your one-stop destination for high-quality PowerPoint presentation templates. Let's start by exploring the SlideEgg homepage. Right away, you'll notice a stunning collection of slides available directly on the homepage. These are not just any slides. They're all newly updated with modern designs to meet your presentation needs. On this page, you'll also see options like color and node. These features help you filter templates based on your preferred color scheme or add specific node elements. Once you make a selection, you'll see all the slides update instantly to match your choices. Now, let's head over to the Explore section. Here, you'll find all the available categories. Click on All Collections to view the complete library. A new page will open, showcasing an extensive range of collections. Scroll down and click on See All Collections to view even more options. You'll be amazed by the variety of presentation templates offered. If you're looking for something specific, use the search bar. For example, let's search for marketing strategy. Once you enter your keyword, you'll see a list of related presentations. Click on the one you're interested in. On the new presentation page, scroll down and look at the left-hand side. There, you'll find the filter button. Click on it to reveal 3 options. Start by selecting Free Slides to view all the templates available for free download. Then, return to the filter menu and choose Slide Decks. This will display full presentation decks that are ready to use. You can download any of these decks easily. If you want to view all available slides at once, click the See All Without Pagination button. This option allows you to browse through both individual slides and complete decks on a single page. Now let's go back to the home page and learn how to download a presentation from SlideEgg. First, choose any template you like and open its page. On the right side, you'll notice a special AI feature. Click on it and you'll see a text box where you can enter your own prompt. Once you've added your prompt, click Generate. The content in the presentation will automatically update based on what you've entered. Now, it's time to download. Click the Download button and you'll see 3 file format options along with the ability to adjust the file size. Choose the PowerPoint option to download the presentation. Once the download is complete, open the file. PowerPoint will launch automatically. Click Enable Editing to start making changes. You can easily customize text, change shapes, and modify colors directly within PowerPoint. SlideEgg also offers a powerful PowerPoint add-in. To install it, go to the Add-ins tab in PowerPoint and click on More Add-ins at the bottom. A panel will appear. Search for SlideEgg, click Add, and then click Continue. Now, the SlideEgg add-in will be installed and appear on the right-hand side of your screen. From here, you can insert any slide or template directly into your presentation with just a click. If you have any questions or need assistance, simply open the chat and send us a message. Our dedicated team is available 24/7 to help you. If you're looking for professional PowerPoint design services, you're in the right place. Our service is available 24 hours a day, so you can get your presentation designed anytime, anywhere. There, you'll see an option called PPT Design Service. Click on that to begin. This will open the redesign page. Here, you have 2 easy choices. Either drag and drop your PowerPoint file directly onto the page, or click the Upload button to select a file from your computer. Once you select your file and click Open, your file will start uploading right away. It usually takes just a few seconds, depending on the file size. After the upload is complete, you'll see a form where you can provide specific instructions for your design. For example, you might want us to apply your brand colors, keep some slides as they are, or adjust the text alignment. Just fill in the details to help us understand exactly how you want your presentation to look. When you're done, click the Next button to proceed. On the next page, you'll be asked to enter your payment information. Don't worry, we support several payment methods, so you can choose the one that's most convenient for you. And that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can get a custom-designed PowerPoint presentation without any hassle. And that's it. We hope this video helped you understand how to explore, filter, and download presentation templates using SlideEgg. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.